Explore the remarkable capabilities of the ForceShield air defense system by Thales, a highly effective solution that has demonstrated its value in Ukraine's demanding combat environment. ForceShield is engineered to safeguard troops and critical infrastructure from a diverse array of aerial threats, including drones, helicopters, fighter jets, and cruise missiles. Advanced radar technology. At the heart of ForceShield is the Groundmaster 200 radar, or its advanced variant, GM200MMA. This radar system excels in creating a comprehensive air picture by detecting and tracking a wide spectrum of threats. From unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to aircraft, missiles, and even mortars, the GM200 radar provides high-precision detection, crucial for early warning and threat assessment. Open architecture for flexibility. ForceShield's open architecture is a standout feature, allowing seamless integration with various system components, including medium-range air defense systems, SAMs, and older legacy systems. This flexibility ensures that the system can be tailored to meet the specific needs of users in a rapidly evolving tactical landscape. C2 Control View System. The integrated C2 Control View system enhances ForceShield's operational effectiveness by coordinating and managing air defense efforts. It classifies detected threats and directs responses using various fire weapons, including missiles launched from systems like Rapid Ranger, SL, LML, and manpads, as well as anti-aircraft artillery. This comprehensive approach ensures a robust defense against multiple types of aerial threats. Proven combat performance. ForceShield has already proven its effectiveness in Ukraine, where it is actively deployed to protect against aerial threats. The Ukrainian military has secured a contract with Thales for additional Controlmaster 200 systems, which include the GM200 radar, a radio communication system, a control view control center, and a portable weapons distribution terminal. Integration of Starstreak missiles. Enhancing the ForceShield system, the UK is providing Starstreak surface-to-air missiles, which are integrated into the ForceShield framework. These advanced missiles can be launched from the Rapid Ranger module, compatible with any light armored vehicle.